बेलगाम ब्रुटल हत्या जी जाली जातून 28 लोकांक मरण आयलें तांकां सगळ्यांक आर्गां ओंपपाक तांकां टू पे रिस्पेक्ट आज देशभर काँग्रेस पार्टीन प्रत्येक डिस्ट्रिक्टान कॅन्डल लायट मार्च हो आमी आयोजीत केल्लो. आतां सेम टायमाचेर मडगांवूय चालू आसा. म्हाका दिसता जे भयभीत वातावरण थंय जालें आनी म्हाका दिसता देवाचो आशिर्वाद आशिल्लो जे 50 गोंयकार त्या टायमाचेर बेलगामाक हॉलिडेयांक गेल्ले सगळे गोंयकार सुरक्षीत आसात. म्हणजे 28 लोक जांचो जीव गेलो म्हाका दिसता आमी पळयलें की कशा पद्दतीन तांकां म्हणजे कडेन उतरां ना त्या टेररिस्टांक म्हणपाक. कित्याक अशें मनशाचें कत्ल करून म्हाका दिसता दीस इज इनह्युमन. जनावरां पेक्षा म्हाका दिसता पास्ट तांकां आनी लायकी ना. काँग्रेस पार्टीन आनी सगळे युनायटेड ऑपोजिशनान आमचे लोकसभाचे लिडर ऑफ ऑपोजिशन श्री राहुल गांधी, आमचे पक्षाचे अध्यक्ष जे राज्यसभेचे लिडर ऑफ ऑपोजिशन आसात आनी सरकाराक सांगलां की आमचें समर्थन आसा. हे जे कोण लोक जांणी ब्रुटल हो अत्याचार केला हांकां हांचेर कितें ती कारवाई जावपाक जाय आनी जो कितें डिसिजन सरकार घेतलो ऑन दीस अटॅक वी हॅव सेड दॅट वी हॅव टू स्टँड युनायटेड एज अ कंट्री. आनी म्हजो सगळे गोंयकारां कडेन उलो आसा की ह्या दिसांनी वॉट्सॅपाचेर खूब विडियोज व्हायरल जाता कितें कितें इज गोईंग ऑन. आय थिंक इट इज टायम दॅट एज ह्युमॅनिटी वी ऑल हॅव टू स्टँड स्ट्रॉंग. दिस इज अ अटॅक ऑन ह्युमॅनिटी एंड नॉन रिलीजन. जे त्या पद्दतीन थंय लोकांचेर तांचेर गोळी मारून तांचो कत्ल केलो अक्षरशः दिसता दीस वी कंडेम द एक्ट ऑफ दीस टेररिजम. काँग्रेस पार्टी देशभर वी हॅव सेड दॅट वॉट एवर डिसिजन द गव्हर्मेंट वील टेक टू गेट डावन दीस टेररिस्ट or get them arrested, whatever we have said that we support it. मनशाची सेफ्टी हे अत्यंत गरजेचे.
In deep solidarity with all those families who have lost their loved ones, who have lost their people. The cowardly attack, terror attack that happened in Pahalgam was not just an attack on the tourists there and the locals, but it was an attack on the soul and the fabric of India. We all know that unity in diversity is the pillar of our nation, and the terrorists here have tried to attack this whole particular fabric of our nation by doing this. We condemn such an act and at the same time pray to the Almighty to give speedy recovery to all those who are injured and undergoing treatment, and at the same time pray to God to give strength to the families who have lost their loved ones. We all know that since a few days, like how President has mentioned, a lot of thing is going on the internet, and this is not the time to fall prey to all these divisive forces that are trying to divide us and create differences within the secular fabric of India. But we are here today to be one voice, or to stand against and raise our voice against the terrorism, for justice, and against such divisive forces who are trying to break us or break the unity of India. I have been to Kashmir myself for 3 or 4 times, and I have seen that every 500 meters there is actually an army person, not a policeman, posted there for the security. So here I also take this opportunity to urge the government to take a swift and urgent action against this attack. And not just that, we also demand that a serious investigation should be started immediately on how the security lapse happened at such a tourist loaded place.